guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you a haul of everything I got for my 13th birthday, and before we get started I just want to say I am so grateful for everything that I got. I am so happy with all of it, and I'm not trying to brag in any way. I love watching these videos, and yeah. So make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the red subscribe button down there so you can be notified every time I post a video. And let's just get straight on with the video. Alright, so I'm going to start with what my siblings got me. From one of my sisters, she got me this awesome bullet journal. It says create what you love in gold, and it has this like really pretty design on it, and then in the inside it's just a regular bullet journal with the dots and stuff. This is really nice because I've just gotten back into bullet journaling, and I didn't really have a real bullet journal because one time whenever I was doing it a couple years ago, I just decided to get this cool journal, but it was just lined, like it didn't have dots or anything, and so that makes it a little hard to bullet journal because it doesn't look that good. And I've been talking about it, so I'm really happy that I got this, and I'm really excited to use it. This next thing from the same sister, I think this is like the best thing ever. Okay, so if you guys didn't know, I have two cats. They're both girls, and she got me this book from Amazon called Tiny Hats on Cats, and it is a whole book of how to make your cat hats, and I am so pumped. It is amazing. I already made one. My cats don't like it, but they're just gonna have to learn to live with it because these hats are amazing, and I'm really excited. This is like the best gift ever, so thank you so much. Alright, and then from my oldest sister, she got me this Buttercream Icing 101. It tells you how to make icing and pipe icing and like decorate the cupcakes and all that. It looks super fun because it just does. And I'm not that good at decorating cakes or cupcakes, but this can help me learn, and I'm so excited. And also cupcakes are delicious, so yeah, I'm really excited to try this out, and it'll be super fun. Alright, so now for my grandparents got me, they came for my birthday, and so they got me this ring. It's from Kohl's, and I really like it. It's like crossed right here, and it's silver, and I really like it. I'm wearing it right now. And then she also got me some scrunchies. These are from Kohl's also. They are really nice material. They feel like they're gonna last for a long time, and they're just navy. This one has some stripes on it. This one is just plain, and I'm really excited to wear these. And then she got me and my sisters this keychain thing, and it says, to my granddaughter, never forget that I love you. I hope you believe in yourself as much as I believe in you. So that was really sweet, and I don't have like keys yet because I don't drive, but I can put this on my backpack or something, and yeah. And then she also got me a Starbucks gift card, which I, love Starbucks. Alright, and then next she got me these amazingly soft, like, slipper sock things, and they have little cats on them, and I love cats so much, okay? Not the musical, like the movie, but like actual cats, like, the animal. And yeah, they just have a little cat face on them, and I was just wearing these, and they are so warm, and it feels like you're walking on clouds. And then, this is kind of hard to hold up, I got this dress pinafore thing. It is this plaid color, and I really like the straps. I like the buckles on them, and I'm super excited to wear this. This is also from Kohl's, and yeah, it's super cute, and I really like it. Alright, and then next I got another one of these Sherpa jackets. I have a brown one in my closet that I wear all the time. You guys have probably seen before, and I got one in another color, and I'm so excited because my brown one, I washed it so many times. It's still soft, but it's not as soft. But this one, just like, it's, it's new, so it's so soft, and yeah, I really love it. And I think that is all I got from my grandparents, so thank you so much. And now I'm going to move on to what my parents got me. And so I've already like taken some of the stuff out that I got because I wanted to like wear it or something today. So this one's kind of hard to show, but they got me these cat pajamas, and again, I love cats, and these are super soft. They have like little tiny flowers on them, and the ears are rose gold, and the nose is rose gold, and it has like, yeah, it has a cat face on it, and it's just this pajama set, and then the pants just have the same flower pattern. And I wore these last night, and they are so soft. Okay, I love them so much. Okay, and then the next thing I got from my parents is this amazing jumpsuit. If you guys haven't watched my birthday vlog, I will put a link to it up in the eye in the corner. You should totally go watch that. But yeah, I got this jumpsuit. It's from Abercrombie Kids, and it's just navy and has stripes on it, and it's a long sleeve jumpsuit, and it's kind of hard to show, but I love it so much lately. I've just been like, man, I want a jumpsuit so bad, and I finally got one, and I'm so excited, and it's really cute. Alright, and next I got a letterboard, which I've been wanting for so long. Here it is. I put this on it last night, and also this one lights up. Look at that, and it's so cute. I love the lights, and yeah, it says, "Surely not everybody was kung fu fighting." It's from Kung Fu Panda. So yeah, I really love this letterboard. I wanted one for so long, and I'm so grateful that I finally have one. Okay, and next I got a new pair of headphones that I'm so excited about. They're from Amazon, and I've wanted a new pair of headphones for like a long time because I've just been using my sister's old ones, and they are very broke. And so these ones I'm so excited about. I'll take them out and show them to you. And these are wireless, so that is super awesome. And yeah, I'm really excited to use these. They're rose gold. They're so pretty, and they just fold up like this. And yeah, I'm so excited to wear these. And next I got a Lindsey Stirling violin book, which I'm so excited about because I play violin. I haven't played in quite a while because I used to take lessons, but I don't anymore. But I wanted to get one of her books just so I could have a book to use to practice, and I'm really excited about this one. It has a Beauty and the Beast medley, Boulevard of Broken Dreams, Dragonborn, The Greatest Showman medley, High Low, It Ain't Me, Senbonzakura, and Stampede. So yeah, I'm really excited to play this one. Alright, and next I have this gray shirt from Kohl's. It is, again, so soft. It's like the same material as the pajamas that I showed you. And it's gray, and it just has a little tie right there, and it's long sleeved, and I'm so excited to wear this, and it's so soft. Alright, so next I got some jogger pants from American Eagle, the Airy line. And they are so soft. They're like fleecy, and they have a tie right here, and they're kind of like a beige color, and I'm really excited to wear these, and they look so soft. I also got another pair of like jogger pants. They're kind of like a mauve color, and these are from Kohl's. Okay, next I got this cat mug, and I am so excited about this. It just has a little cat and it says kitty right there. I'm so excited about this because I love cats so much. I'm really excited to just drink like my coffee or tea out of this. Okay, I'm so excited about this gift. I got an HP sprocket, and I am so excited. I was not totally sure that I was going to get this because it's pretty expensive, but I got it, and I'm so excited to use it, and I'm so grateful that I have it. And I also got some photo paper to go with it so I can print off my pictures. If you guys don't know, this is basically like a mini printer, and you can connect it to your phone, and then you can just print off pictures from your phone and then it prints off on here, and they're just like cute little pictures. They're kind of like Polaroids, and yeah, I'm so excited to use this. Okay, and then the two last things from my parents are a new comforter. This one is just white. I've needed a new comforter for a long time because I've gotten a lot of like marker stains on my bed and stuff, and yeah, I'm so excited that I have one, and it'll just be so nice to have a new comforter. And the very last gift is this lap desk. You can't really tell it's a lap desk right now because yeah, but the legs do fold out. I'm not going to do it right now because that's kind of a lot of work, but I wanted a lap desk because if I'm like using the computer or drawing or reading or anything like that, I always have to look down. I'm trying not to look down so much, but then sometimes if I do hold it up, I like slowly start to look down again. But yeah, with this lap desk, it's going to be so much easier, and I'm so glad that I have it. And I wasn't even expecting to get this because I told my mom about it like a week before my birthday, and I was like, yeah, she's like done all my birthday shopping and stuff. But then I got it, and I'm so glad. And also, if you want to see what my friends got me, make sure to go watch my birthday vlog by clicking the I up there. But yeah, that is all that I got for my birthday, and I'm so grateful for everything that I got. Thank you to anyone who got me something. I am so grateful. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm not trying to brag or anything. I just, you know, like to watch birthday hauls and stuff. Yeah, it's crazy that I'm 13. I feel like, wow, it's a big thing. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!